Why don't you go ahead and go into a little bit of detail of how you ended up here?
Oh, sure. Well, it's definitely been a journey, just like I'm sure so many others. It's been a really exciting, fun journey, being able to rely on the Lord all along the way. He has not let me down. I was a very, very busy family medicine doctor, mid-Missouri, doing the typical big hospital corporate medicine things, seeing 30, 40 patients a day, very stressed, overwhelmed. But then when the mandates were put out to us, I politely declined to follow that protocol and was terminated. And I never felt scared at all. I mean, I felt like, well, I have no other choice. I have to do the right thing. And so the Lord is going to provide. So I was terminated, and then within a week I had a location for a clinic and an electronic health record, and I started a direct primary care clinic, and it was fantastic. I didn't look back. It exploded. We are doing great. We even have a second location that we've opened, and then because of the fact that I have that flexibility and I'm not tied to a system, I was able to do a lot of things with regard to the truth that needed to be told with regard to treatment and outpatient therapy, cocktail therapy, and the truth about the vaccines. I was instrumental in Global COVID Summit and doing a lot of the summits and educational seminars that we did in 2021 and 2022. And then I was able to join the wellness company from the very beginning. I was asked to, help build and form that company. We launched in September of last year, and it has been nothing but exciting progress. We are here for the patients. We want to be able to help them be taken care of properly, not in a system that is politicized or biased. We want to provide proper patient care. The physician is not controlled by corporate or governmental agencies, and they are independent and able to do what is right for the patient, and the patient can trust that. And we also have what I consider to be a phenomenal line of nutraceuticals that was developed in conjunction with, as a team with our pharmacists that are a part of our company, our PharmDs, our physicians, our naturopathic doctors and chemists. We developed really great formulations. Specifically, the one that I feel like has been so helpful is the spike support. It has been helpful for those with long haul and those with vaccine injury, those that are worried about shedding. This supplement is scientifically backed, has very potent ingredients, and it's working really well. So because of the fact that I, was terminated, here the Lord has taken me on this journey to be able to really provide change and help the people.
Well, and you were saying within a week, you had your own clinic opened up.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, did you have any planning before that, or did it just kind of happen?
Well, I kind of knew mid-August that this was going to be happening. So I started looking for some locations. And by the time I was terminated at the very end of August, I had found my location. And the next week I opened up the clinic.